India, a land of incredible diversity, is home to some of the most varied natural vegetation in the world. From the tropical rainforests in the south to the vast deserts in the west, the country's unique ecosystems reflect its equally diverse climate and geography. Welcome to today's video. We are going to explore the major types of natural vegetation found in India. Each one is uniquely adapted to its environment and plays a vital role in maintaining ecological balance and supporting local livelihoods. Our journey begins in the heart of India's tropical rainforests. Tropical rainforests are found in the western Ghats, northeastern states like Arunachal Pradesh, and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. These forests are known for their dense canopies, evergreen trees, and rich biodiversity. With rainfall exceeding 200 centimeters annually, they support a vibrant ecosystem full of life. In these rainforests, you'll find everything from exotic plants to rare species of animals, all thriving in this humid, rain-soaked environment. As we move away from the tropics, we enter India's tropical deciduous forests. Located in regions like Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Karnataka, these forests experience moderate rainfall, between 100 to 200 centimeters annually. Trees here shed their leaves during the dry season, making them more water efficient. The diversity of life is still rich, though not as dense as in tropical rainforests. In India's arid and semi-arid regions, we find the thorn forests. These are found in places like Rajasthan and parts of Gujarat. The plants here are specially adapted to survive with less than 100 centimeters of rainfall annually. The vegetation is sparse, with hardy shrubs, cacti, and succulents that thrive in these extreme conditions. Next, we travel to the towering heights of the montane forests. Found in the Himalayan region, these forests are made up of tall coniferous trees like pines and cedars, especially at higher altitudes. As you climb, the biodiversity shifts, reflecting the changing climate and elevation. Let's head to India's coastal regions, home to the incredible mangrove forests. Found in places like the Sundarbans of West Bengal and coastal Odisha, these salt-tolerant trees thrive in brackish water. Mangroves are crucial for coastal protection, preventing erosion, and they provide a unique habitat for many species of fish, birds, and invertebrates. Moving inland, we come to India's savannas and grasslands. Found in regions like Punjab, Haryana, and parts of central India, these open grasslands are dotted with scattered trees and are adapted to seasonal rainfall. The rich grass cover supports a variety of herbivores and their predators. Next up, we explore the iconic desert vegetation of India. The Thar Desert in Rajasthan is one of the driest places in India. Here, the vegetation is minimal, consisting mostly of xerophytic plants, shrubs, and thorny bushes that are adapted to survive with little water and extreme heat. Finally, we reach the cold and harsh conditions of the alpine and tundra vegetation. Found in the higher reaches of the Himalayas, this vegetation consists of short grasses, mosses, and lichens. Due to the extreme cold and short growing seasons, trees are rare, and only the hardest plants survive. As you can see, India's natural vegetation is as diverse as its landscapes, and it plays an essential role in supporting the planet's biodiversity. Each region's unique vegetation supports a wide range of wildlife and provides valuable resources to the communities living there. From the tropical rainforests in the south to the cold alpine vegetation in the north, India's natural ecosystems are not just beautiful, they are vital to the balance of our planet. Thank you for joining me on this journey through India's rich natural vegetation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting explorations. See you in the next video.